Hey guys, we're back with another video.
What's good, y'all? Kingx2 here, back with another video.
Oh, we gotta start over! Hey guys, we're back with another video.
What's good, y'all? Kingx2 here, back with the...
You gotta lock that.
I thought
The main part is
I thought we was doing that, and then that.
Hey guys, we're back with another video.
What's good, y'all? Kingx2 here, back with it. Oh my god.
Hey guys, we're back with another video.
What's good, y'all? Kingx2 here, back with another video. We got a quick unboxing for y'all real quick. Just got some fragrances in. I thought I needed my knife, but it looks like we don't. So yeah, we just gonna jump into this package. We got one new fragrance that we never smelled before, and then we got a fragrance for King, something that he was really excited about. We just gonna dive right in. Yeah, there you go. So, like I said, two fragrances. Which one you want to do first? Yours or mine? Okay. No. You gotta do yours first.
I got some Versace.
I think it's like Versace Eau Fraiche. And like, so we found a
little sample.
A little sample size bottle of this at Nordstrom Rack. And surprisingly, it was fire. So we went over to our, you know what I mean, our friends over at Fragrance Buy, and we grabbed a full-size bottle of this because, man, this stuff is actually really good. I was surprised. I never smelled this before, not until maybe, that was like a month ago. Oh, that was January when I got my Crocs. I mean, my Uggs. That's a cool bottle, too. Dang, I'm jacking. How you feel about it? You see the way he's smiling? Look at him. He's spraying a little too close, but yeah. Let me see. You know what's funny? I wore your the bad boy today. The bad boy's fire. Dang, that smells real good. This is a nice clean fragrance. I think yeah, I don't know the performance of this, but I think this is good for you. Nice little citrus. You know what I mean? It don't smell too manly. Like the other one smelled, he got bad boy parfum or something like that, and that bug just, it be hitting like crazy.
It smells like a 50-year-old man.
It smells like a grown man wearing that fragrance.
Grown man
Fragrance.
Something you gotta deal with. No matter how many of them fabricated lines he just said, it ain't gonna equal up to this.
Real spritz. Yeah, so we just gonna pull up the notes on this real quick. Fragrantic, look, there we go right there. So boom, we got citrus notes, aromatic, woody, fruity, fresh, spicy, tropical, warm, spicy, fresh, musky. This got a 4.14 out of 5 with 14,000 votes. Give it up for Versace Eau Fraiche. Okay, look. The pros: great summer fragrance, energizing and uplifting scent. Affordable price. A con: may not last as long for some. Not suitable for all seasons. May not have strong projection. It smells like it's projecting strong. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I don't know. We gotta do some more testing with it.
Versace.
This got starfruit in it?
No way.
That's crazy.
Man. Lemon. Begerman.
Bergamot.
Starfruit.
Cardamom. And
Bizarro.
Brazilian.
Rosewood.
Yep. What's the next one? I can't see. Oh. Cedar. Tarragon. Sage.
Pepper.
Okay. Scroll up a little bit. What we got there? Musk. We got some woodsy notes. Saffron, amber, and sycamore.
That's it.
What is sycamore? Is that like a tree or something?
Yeah.
Okay. Keep scrolling. Let's just see what the first comments say down. Keep going. Okay, say moderate on the longevity, The sillage is moderate as well. It's more male instead of female. And then the price, they say it's a great value, or it's a good value. So next we got Sceptre Malachite. Yeah, sure, go ahead. Sceptre Malachite. I've been seeing this fragrance all over. And then finally I'm like, man, I'm gonna just grab it. I'm like, I don't know. There were some other fragrances that I wanted to buy instead of this one, but I'm like, I don't know. I just needed something. 30 bucks. It's a nice package. It's a really nice package. The bottle sit nicely tucked in there. Got the gold on the back, Maison Alhambra. This is another one of those Arabic type fragrances. Here, let me see.
That is heavy.
Yeah, that's nice. Got the little gem on there on the front.
You doing a filter?
Yeah, it is a fake gem, but it's still a gem. Yeah, so Sceptre Maison Alhambra. Oh, Sceptre Malachite. Let me see how the top is. Got a little weight to it. Okay. A little cheap fragrance. I think I paid like 30 bucks for this.
How much for mine?
I think that was like 50 or 40, something like that. Dang, so this is a blind buy. I'm a little scared to smell it. Are you scared?
Why?
I don't know.
What is a blind buy?
It's when you buy it and you have no knowledge of it or you never smelled it before. That's why I'm scared. All right, so look, we just gonna get into it. A little jinky atomizer.
I got it in my eye. It's strong.
It is strong.
It smells like a fragrance that you already got.
It do kind of smell like something I already have too. We gotta look up the notes on this. I don't know what I'm experiencing right now. It's, oh my God. It's like, do you smell cucumbers? I smell cucumbers and like something sour. Look, there we go. Okay, so boom. It's a citrus, aromatic, woody, fruity. This is the same thing the last one said. This is the exact same thing that one said. Citrus, aromatic, woody, fruity, musky, fresh spice, soft spice, amber, green, powdery. That's the same. That's the same thing. Look, citrus, aromatic, woody, fruity, fresh spice. Oh, I got tropical, warm, spicy though. Fresh, musky. That's crazy.
It's literally the same fragrance.
This one actually got a 4.67 out of 5. Oof.
That one's still fire.
It is fire. Okay, this one got green tangerine, bergamot, black currant, aromatic notes, lavender, spicy notes, jasmine, pink pepper, musky or musk, amber, woodsy notes, and vetiver. Yeah, we gotta do some testing with this. I do get like a green orange or something. What did it say? Green tangerine? Yeah, green tangerine. Tangerine's usually orange. I don't know what they're talking about.
Probably not like a ripe one. It's probably an unripe one.
That's a yeah.
Big brain?
Big brain. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
I would have never thought of that, honestly. Appreciate that one. Look, somebody was like, oh my God, I got five straight compliments in like 10 minutes. I mean, I oversprayed kind of too much. About 30 puffs. Wow.
Dang,
it's very empowering. I think you should do at most 15 sprays. Trust me. Please don't overspray because you're going to fill out a room with just 15 sprays. I mean, I don't know. It do smell like an unripe tangerine or something. I kind of like it though.
More.
You said what?
I like that one more.
I don't know. I like this one because it's different.
Yeah.
Don't nobody got this except for me that I know. So I'm happy with
nobody
it.
Got that.
And don't nobody got that. Exactly. We got out here with some exclusives.
Oh, I do. I have it. Let me go get the mini bottle.
Yeah, go get the mini bottle.
We're gonna have another unboxing for y'all. I got some shoes on the way.
Oh yeah, we got another unboxing coming soon, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned for that. Got the little look, it's King times 2. You got the big dog and the little dog. That's fire. That's super dope.
It's literally the same thing.
But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. King times 2. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.